Welcome back to the channel, where we provide you all with amazing money-making online ideas in 2024. In this video, I've got something truly special for you, a revolutionary method that lets you transform your passion for music into a substantial income. Imagine making $3,234 monthly by doing what you love, listening to music while transcribing lyrics. It's not just a money-making strategy, it's an opportunity to harmonize your passion with profit. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's embark on this melodic journey of financial empowerment. Hey, quick heads up! Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Be one of the first in the know and stack that cash. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of this musical money-making venture, picture this: your favorite tunes becoming a pathway to a significant income stream. Today, we're going to explore how you can make $4.50 for every song you listen to. It's not just about making money. It's about turning your leisurely pastime into a lucrative endeavor. Our first stop on this thrilling music journey is the ever-popular SoundCloud. It's a haven for trending music in various languages. And the best part, it won't cost you a dime to sign up. Whether you're loyal to Android or an Apple aficionado, the SoundCloud app is available for free download, turning your smartphone into a personalized music haven. Share with us in the comments. Are you Team Android or Team iPhone? Now, once you've downloaded SoundCloud, you're ready to explore an extensive array of music. Dive into different genres, discovering trending playlists, and curate your musical journey. Now that you've uncovered the treasure trove of music on SoundCloud, let's explore azlyrics.com, a platform that will become your primary resource for transcribing lyrics. This website isn't merely a lyrics database. It's a vibrant community where music enthusiasts unite to celebrate their favorite tunes. On azlyrics.com, you can navigate through an extensive collection of lyrics spanning various genres and languages. Whether you're into the latest chart toppers or hidden gems, this platform caters to diverse musical tastes. Discovering lyrics here isn't just about transcribing. It's a journey into the soul of music. The user-friendly interface allows you to search for lyrics effortlessly. If you have a specific artist or song in mind, simply enter the details in the search bar. The drop-down results make it easy to pinpoint your selection. azlyrics.com's extensive database ensures that you'll find lyrics for nearly every song imaginable. So, let's say I'm on the hunt for the lyrics of that track Hype Boy by New Jeans. Easy peasy. Just type the artist's name or the song title right here and pick it from the drop-down results. Boom! You're on this page where you can kick back and listen to the tunes. Now, pay attention because I don't want you tripping up. Check it out. Song name up top, and below, you've got the whole set of lyrics. It's a killer chance for you to groove to the music and maybe do some transcribing. Cool, right? Here's where the money-making magic happens. For every audio minute you transcribe from these lyrics, you earn a commendable $1.50. Picture this. A 3-minute song can translate your $4.50 in your pocket. The standard length of most songs aligns perfectly with maximizing your earnings. But azlyrics.com goes beyond being a transcription hub. Engage with the community by sharing your favorite lyrics, discussing song meanings, and even contributing corrections. It's a dynamic space where music enthusiasts connect and collaborate. As you immerse yourself in the world of azlyrics.com, consider exploring different genres and languages. This diversity not only broadens your musical horizons, but also opens up opportunities for transcribing a wide range of songs. The more versatile you become, the more earning potential you unlock in this lyrical journey. In the next steps, we'll leverage your transcribing skills on platforms like Revcom and GoTranscript.com, turning your love for music into a continuous stream of income. Stay tuned for the software recommendations that will streamline your transcription process, making it both efficient and enjoyable. AZ Lyrics isn't just a lyric repository. It's a gateway to turning your musical passion into a lucrative endeavor. As you refine your transcription skills, let the melodies guide you toward financial empowerment. Now, let's transition into the next phase of our journey, where we transform transcribed lyrics into a steady income on reputable platforms. Before we move on to more money-making ideas, share in the comments your current go-to song. We'd love some new song recommendations. To elevate your passion from a sporadic pastime to a steady income, sign up on Revcom. This platform offers a plethora of transcription opportunities, ranging from general transcription to captions and foreign subtitles. The best part? You receive weekly payouts directly into your PayPal account, providing financial flexibility. Now don't bounce just yet. Stick around for the rest of the video, because I'm about to spill the details on some software that'll open up awesome chances for you to rake in cash online. Here's a bonus tip. Don't limit yourself to a single platform. Boost your earnings by signing up on GoTranscript.com. So, picture this. You're jamming to a regular 3-minute song, and bam! You're making $1.80 just by listening and jotting down the lyrics. Pretty sweet, huh? Now, peep the perks of rolling with GoTranscript.com. Slide all the way down and hit up the work section. If you're keen on snagging a free account and getting that money rolling, hit up the Apply Now button right here. That'll take you to the page where you can set up your free account. But unfortunately, it seems that they aren't accepting any new transcribers at the moment. But still, feel free to keep an eye out for work openings if you're interested in using this platform. As you embark on your journey of transcribing lyrics for profit, efficiency becomes paramount. This is where otranscribe.com steps in, streamlining the transcription process and enhancing your overall experience. otranscribe.com is a free web application designed with transcriptionists in mind. Its user-friendly interface and powerful features make it a go-to tool for anyone looking to transcribe audio content seamlessly. Let's delve into the key aspects that make otranscribe an indispensable part of your money-making toolkit. Upon visiting otranscribe.com, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive layout. The simplicity of the design ensures that even newcomers can navigate the platform effortlessly. The blue Start Transcribing button is your gateway to a world of efficient transcription. Whether you have a link to the audio file or the file itself, otranscribe.com accommodates both scenarios. So, let's say you're cruising on SoundCloud.com to grab some tunes for transcription. Look out for this share button. Give it a click, and bam! A box pops up with the link to that specific track. Copy that link, snag the music file. Easy peasy. Now, hit this button to upload the file, and this nifty free tool does its thing, transcribing the whole soundtrack for you. Just a heads up though, it might throw in a few grammar errors that you'll need to fix up manually. otranscribe.com offers a unique advantage by providing an automated transcription feature. While it may not be flawless, it significantly reduces the manual effort required. For songs with clear audios, this feature becomes a time-saving asset, allowing you to focus on refining the transcription rather than starting from scratch. To enhance accessibility and ensure your progress is saved, otranscribe.com integrates with cloud storage services. You can link your Google Drive or Dropbox account, providing a secure space for storing your transcriptions. This feature adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to seamlessly switch between devices without losing your work. For our lyrical transcription endeavor, otranscribe.com serves as the bridge between the music you love on platforms like SoundCloud and the transcription platforms like Revcom and GoTranscript.com. It transforms the act of transcribing from a tedious task into a more enjoyable and efficient process. Now, let's talk about elevating your earnings. Explore foreign languages. Platforms like Rev.com offer higher payouts for foreign subtitles, ranging from $3 to $7 per minute. DeepL.com, a free online translator, becomes your ally in translating foreign language music into English, expanding your income potential. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below about these money-making ideas and catch us responding to what you have to say. And there you have it, several unique and enjoyable methods in 2024 to earn up to $3,234 monthly by listening to music. Transform your love for music into a profitable venture, and don't forget to implement these bonus tips to maximize your earnings. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making strategies. Thank you for joining me today on Fortune Innovator. If you're ready for more exciting money-making ideas, check out our other videos and look forward to more uploads. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and stay earning. Catch you in the next one.